Keep on doubt na. Okay, question solve paper. A number when reduced by 10% gives 30. This. Take up the number to hold and teacher. To the 10% reduce a bola head episode ham number to 30 in teacher. To the 10% reduce a bola lepiham 100% sorry. Okay. 10% reduce telepatin ham a number to Rizaka to think 100% yeah, not to 10% are reducing hey such a PVM 90%. 90% of number APM gives 30. Question and 100% warranties. 90% 30 here, 100% 1% PVM 30 divided by 90 is equal to 0 0 ka 1 to 3 ka kale answer to 1 by 3 1% to 1 by 3 number the number it is 100% so till chatting k 100% negative then 100% to be the 100% so 1 by 3 into 100% 1 by 3 into 100 we have 43.33% ilo la 33 1 by 3% this so we have chahi 33 1 by 3% is also 3 so answer also the simple method na hai ya ilo la fraction ka bol ding ala ka bol ding ham method chuma bol de hilang chalai method chumin ki bol la piti bol ham 10% and I can reduce it into numbers of 10% or reduce it in 10% to 1 by 10 here. Reduce it to 1 can reduce. Then la 1 I can reduce the answer to be 9. It's 9 units to the P gives 30. It's 9 units and 30 but 1 unit to be the 30 by 9. So the 10 here original the number to know ya 10 here original number. The number to 30 into 10 divided by 9. After the 3 into 30, 3 3 is 9. 100 by 3 to become 33.33%. This is fraction method. Next question. Exam 2. In an annual exam, Mahoya got 10% less mark than Supriya in mathematics. That is. Koi ham Mahoya to koi ham kacho. Supriyo. Supriyo in maths IP. Mahoya got 10% less mark than Supriyo. Supriyo 100% is out there. 10% ka minus ala to mo 90% to come to tile as to 10% less mo ja 100% la 10% ka college 90% ya mohya 90% mo la mohya got 81 marks 90% to pi basa 90% to ni pi basa mark 81 mohya 90% by 90% is a marks 81 marks. Here, like we hold at them, Supriya hold at the Supriya 100% hela 100% GPM 81 into 100 divided by 90 0 ka 9 9 81 9 to 10 GPM 90 and to 10 90. It's a normal method here. Fraction ka boarding 10% less mark reality boarding fraction method na boarding fraction method has a 10% less mark hala 1 by 10 chalai minus ka bol original number to 10 la koi atom zo original Supriya atom zo Mahoya to 10 minus 1 to 9 chihi Mahoya 9 to this number 81 1 unit to be 81 by 9 la Supriya hold the Supriya to be 10 so now no ya 10 to 81 by 9 into 10. 9 9 is 81. 9 into 10 goes on 90. It's a fraction method. 23. Given A is 50% larger than C and till ni omale till tomo male A oma C oma B oma C oma abon sai ko taw ano kha pena ko emam. A is 50% larger than C and B is 25% larger than C. C to ki compare chi chi na. C to ki compare chi chi ala ti ji do tam C to 100 na ko thi. C 100 na ko ya hele A to 50% larger than C to A to is at the ham 150. It's 100 na 50% ko 50 ya larger to 50% more than it. C is 25% larger than C. B is 25% larger than C. B is at ham 25. Ahile 125 larger. So then A is what percent larger than B? A to B sang ahi is that na tamam tela is that na tamam 25 atam. A to 125 plus 25 to 150. Percentage and say na tela pidam 25 divided by ko to compare ham den ba na p mam B at no ilang B kasi di 25 into 100. 25 1 is 25. 25 number chi na 25 5 25. I to 25 4 to 100. 100 la 25 ka be kilo 125. 1 by 5 into 100. 1 by 5 to 20%. Ki khot la 20% also. 1 by 5 into 100 to 5 to the 10. 5 0 0 28%. It's a normal method. And fraction method I could do ham tahela. If we use fraction method, it's a number or a simple number here. Normal method and keep on the payons. A is 50% larger than C. The 50% GPT now 1 by 2. Say plus it larger the other. A to C sang larger like that. C to compare to C that. C to that ham 2 heading. A to that ham larger than 2 plus 1. A to that ham 3. Now question is B is 25% larger than C. 25% JP 1 by 4th. Larger to the plus. Larger than C to the C. Amaya by C getting 4 plus 1 5 JP B. 5 JP B. The C to that here 4. Abana B to that here 4 plus 1 5. C here ki bang talo so. C here ki bang talo. Evang C to like ki bang C to like mi khat hele ki bang de ya. Ki ba sa na ding a chi ro ding nam chung la noi multiply da chung cho 4 a multiply da pe na multiply ding noi cho 2 a multiply da cho ta ki bang da ta chung a 4 a ka bola 4 3 za 12 2 4 za 8 noi ya 2 4 za 8 ki bang ta 2 5 a 10 and percent is not tamam A is what percent larger than B it is A hi B sang is not tamam 1 by sorry question adi lo la mam 5 for the 20 or sorry 10 hello the 20 or it's a calculation error 2 5 or 10 2 5 or 10 2 4 8 4 2 8 4 3 is 12 for the 9 then A is what percent larger than B A to B sang as an atom 2 atom because you compare and B like compare 2 by 10 to percentage akasim na ngala into 100 ka tiri ki chai 0 la 0 ka 2 into 10 kusa nam 20 percentage ita fraction na ki bol fraction sang chai by zo chai e wanga 33 3 by fraction mixed fraction percentage so hong ki pi phala che fraction method hi na follow by zo 24 PSM a box has 100 blue balls 50 red balls 50 black balls so box kana hi 100 blue 100 red ahin 50 red ahin 50 black ahi tilazun question is 25% of blue ala chahi ti jidu hamma se pena cho blue cha jautin red zanamam One black is that amount. Blue is that amount 100 or matters. Red is that amount 50 ohm. Black is that amount 50 ohm. 25% of blue. 25% of blue to pidam. 25% of blue to the pidam 100 color 25. And 50% of red. 50% to key 1/2 of 50 is that 25. Color. So here 25, 50% are taken away. It's a 50% of red are taken away. Percentage of black bullet present is so black out in $1 black out is at amount 50 ngay. It's taken away at the island. Is that kilado 25 plus 25, 50 kilado. 50 kilado panachu remaining is that amount to remaining to blue out is that amount to he blue to red total as 150 150 la 50 kalado 100 bomta awana black to like itong hello so that amount time remaining ball to 150 ball remaining ta to 50 ball kilado ta total as is at 100 plus 50 plus 50 to 200 200 la 50 kalado is at 150 to 50 ato tile on chicho percentage of black bullet present to black is at amount black 50 na lai na percentage in cement la chon to hi bol is at mo taong bol mo za to chon na ter da percentage into 100 0 la 0 ke ka 5 1 is 5 5 3 is 15 1/3 into 100 ko jat ham 3 1/3 percentage 30 1/3 percentage net him vam le la wa yong la chi next time chama ma khol le han ti khod dio ham idea chom khat kyang da idea chom khat in ti ki bol thei dam ta hi la is that a kilo 25% of blue kilo 25% 100 la la dollar 25 het sa ya 25 kilo dot sorry 25 kilo dot so changa ko te minus 25 bol kilo dollar twice that tam twice 75 ta la lang khana ko 50% kilo dollar 50% of 50 ho jan ham 50% of 50 kilo dot at jan total 0 ni to 52 za rate 225 ado tela 25 kilo dot ke ta cha 25 bol kilo dollar re na cho jan mom ta hi 25 bol ta le black ngai ma cha kilo dot lo Masai kila dollar ya so minus 0 to te masai kila dollar la ta pim tam 50 la black chu to zat la percentage in set la 50 mu ya chi zat to he ham 75 plus 25 plus 50 total chana abana 50 divided by 75 plus 25 to 100 100 plus 50 to 150 0 0 ka 5 1 is 5 5 3 is 15 1/3 to percentage akasimara zat ham 33 1/3 percentage hey lawa on 1/3 a percentage aka so thing ale with the multiply the katiam 100% to multiply the 100/3 to 33.33 elo 33 1/3 percentage 33 1/3 percentage 33 1/3 elo which 33 1/3 percentage azida na hiyo ke mana 33 1/3 percentage dio ajis today here ke bang hai next to the number question number 25 let pass Rakesh got 273 marks and score 5% more than the passing mark 5% more than the passing mark 273 score all his and his score hele pass marks on 4% in the tamak location 312 marks more hele is that not pass up this question so I understand well PCM passing mark hello sir passing mark to PT do ham sorry passing mark to PT do ham passing mark to x tiêu ta passing mark x cái là mấy là passing mark cái gì thế pass mark thì yung ta đang giang panen pass mark cho izan ham more 5% more than the pass thì cho hizat hi mark saksimal cho tira chun pass mark chu 5% asang atama hila tila atam kiti ma pala chun 100 chunga gom de kati chula na 105% nga atam ya cho 5% atam ya cho 105% 10 atama la 110% 12 atama la 112% kiti cho ya cho 5 atama hile 100 plus 5% chan ham 105% 105% ya cho divided by 100 ato tole 100 pass mark sanga 5% at me tira so pass mark cho 100% de cholo na ala pass mark sanga izan atama 5% at me ato tole atama le izat mark score 273 marks 273 cho pass mark into 105 by 100 cho 273 he tina cho ato tole pass mark cho izat de tam lebung butun ta 273 into lang kana ka solda cho ki lebung butun ta equal to khalanga 105 Rachi calculate lechon 5 to the 10 500 5 to the 10 5 1 is 5 about 2 plus 1 3 7 8 9 10 1 2 plus idi ka ka hum ka tela noi lang ko 2 plus 1 ko iko mala 3 ato nang wata 7 plus 3 ko 10 plus 2 12 a ya lechon 3 yang to 3 ka thei 12 yang to 3 ka thei ato 3 7 za 3 adi ki divisible at 3 7 21 3 9 are 27 3 1 is 3 abana 7 91 into 20 by 7. 7, 1 is 7. About 21 to Zanham, 7, 3 is 21. 13 into 20 to Zanham. 13 to 20 to multiply 0. 2, 3 is 6. 2 is 260. 260 Zanham Tacho, pass mark. 260 pass mark, 273 Amwahile, 5% atom. Tinacho. That's a 5% atom. It's 105%. Pass mark sign in 105% and make it pass mark into 100% out is maximum 2 and 3. And to question and pido location 312 amu to percentage pass mark sang as an atom. Location is that moham tacho location as the location is that moham location location 312 maximum so 312 maximum pass mark is that mutabam 260 mo evanga man is that mo 312 mo is that not tamam 312 to 260 upon la dot 260 to 312 upon la dot le 2 6 upon 1 11 ko is that daham 7 8 9 10 11 5 abana achunga ko 2 ta 52 bo se ta 52 bo se here 52 atom pass mark sang 52 atom to location ala 52 to percentage and say na to pass mark sang as atom percentage ka setting ala 52 ko holo ni if ya pa na pass mark pa 260 pa na to percentage and say na to ala 0 la 0 ka kata 2 1 is 2 2 3 is 6 2 5 is 10 13 is at times 52 palm 3 3 and 3 4 is 12 that's the last digit ni bata ipiti ke nam te la chon last digit ni bata chon 3 is a 2 ya 3 is na 2 palm 3 4 is 12 atya chon 13 4 52 ni mai the ta chona 13 4 cha bota 52 ya 3 4 is 12 4 1 is 4 plus 1 52 so na so 13 4 is 52 ala ab bimotam 4 5 20% among 20% cái thiếu nào cái đó xong thầy explain làm gì chung thầy explain làm thầy explain thế nào Kan ta explain ham si chelain chu ne thin ang. Khabe kan thai explain da chu ne thilol phalle hindong ji ji lang. Otherwise na mic chu mute yi taw cha talo ne khat o hong gi ji chu disturbance um ji chu. Cha tele next ma ma hi next page a hin copy paste cha tele chi ya chela ya tha bola ta chi tha bol dinga he le chun pass mark chi pi ti ba ma hin okay chutia hi le Rakesh got 273 marks in exam and score chila ye point mo to score 5% more than the pass percentage. Pass percentage sanga 5% more atia hela chane piti bowling ham pass mark ka ji ding pass mark sanga 5% more atia le ka se manga chu percentage chu more atia 100% chunga chu less atia le 100% sanga na so hamde more atia 100% chunga ka go ma hele za tam 100% plus 5% chipam 105% ya chu 100 and that the tam chi pass mark chu 105% tina chu chi chan ni ne theta wam pass mark he chan he pass mark ta chu pass mark ala pass mark chu ho hen total chu 100% ke ti chu pass mark chu pi an amak ai ma cha ke he lo bi chicken he wanga chu chipa hin he chan hi aga score 105 chan aga score hi la chun marks zat he kitiam 273 hi la chun ichi ho ro thiau chu na chu ti le chi ta banga chu 105 ba chu pass mark khala ka bola hele exam mark score 273 273 na ba sa che piam tia hele pass mark sa nga 105% ipira nga 5% cho 105% ga tiam tela more za phala chun 100 chunga heading less za la 100 no ya heading na a chu chu percentage of lecture 1 2 3 wa ke lo ta ya a chu tile pass mark kan hold ta cha ke kin chu pass mark hold din kin ta chu tela che 5 to the 10 5 1 is 5 5 to the 10 0 pass mark chu 273 chana ka koi de kin tu 21 by 20 chu lang khala ka tu na la ki bung butun ta chu 21 abana chite ni hi ka ding ale jana ka ding ham 9 is at ham 7 3 the 21 7 3 the 21 7 7 49 7 8 the 63 7 9 the 63 na 7 3 21 apana 6 mo ya 7 9 63 di na cha ajo tala 3 ayong ka 3 1 is 3 3 3 is 9 ala pass mark che pi ham 13 to 20 ang ka di the cha ala hin ka bola hi le 0 0 abana hi 2 3 is 6 2 1 is 2 hi che ka bol mas elo le normal simplification en bola choro choro la shortcut simplification cho simplifications class akila ta pass mark che pi ham 260 ka mota chuna 260 ka ma hi la ta hi pcm ka pass dinga hi la 260 marks ka mo ngai cho ele 273 ka bola hi la chun pass marks nga 5% tama ka mota cho e wanga low case ki te pa hin 312 marks 312 marks of modding ajo cho percentage a chizat ham 312 marks of mo cho percentage a dinga za ma sorry ajo tele low case is low case chun pia low case pa ma sanga cho pass mark chizat de tam 260 hele low case a chizat ham mo 312 312 mo chu percentage is an ki hello chuna it's a khod diu atu tele pass mark 100% cho lampia pass i hold na cho pass mark sang 5% atam le kiti ya 105 kila ya na 100% chizan ham 260 marks ajo tele 1 mark si pi da ham 1 mark si pi da ham 100 by 260 ajo tele chila nga hi location zan am 312 marks mo 312 marks ma hi le 312 marks ma hi le chi abung bulanga ka confused de hai 260 marks se पे हम 260 marks से pass mark से पे हम 100% pass mark 100% till izakaya a number on its own is 100% ajo tia hele 1 mark chini pi wa sam 100% divided by 260 ajo tile 312 marks in location is at 312 marks is at ham 100 into 312 divided by 260 Sihi 312 into 260 calculate na lezan mo 0 to 0 ki kata chirang ahin bolo 10 into 312 mo ta so divided by 26 nabana izat ham chi 2 1 is 2 2 3 is 6 2 1 is 2 2 5 is 10 2 6 is 12 13 3 to 9 3 izat ham 13 that time sum 3 5 15 3 6 18 3 3 3 3 9 26 13 into 9 batao 14 9 hello there 3 is not 6 palm 3 to the 6 13 1 is 13 I had a 14 15 26 13 2 is 26 as the level 12 into 10 is 120 it's here 120 so that's 120 percentage 120 percentage here le pass mark sanga person is na kalam pass mark 100% le na kalam chi 20% akal 20% abu ya pada ke pahunch na ako dan chom ni ka sai pi on le touch sai pi on touch tutile question number thaban la chun jo pal ne thelo ro all question number 26 bata question number 26 in PCM in a school 10% of the number of girls is equal to 20th number of boys 10% of a girl is equal to 10% of a girl is equal to 20th of the number of boys and his line to diagram line idulati bol do ham boys to x to the boys is equal to x girls is equal to y 10% of number of girls at Yalaton 10% of girls y hila y is equal to question and the ham 20% tilo pe 20th ade cho 20th pitin ham 20th Yalaton 1 by 20 20 din cho 20th means 1 by 20 som nila khat tira tamang acho tira chun 20% jati bol ham 1 by 20th 1 by 20th se pitin ham 20 से पिती नाम 1 by 20 है अच्छा 20 percentage लोपे जो है percentage लोपे 20 तक कितला 1 by 20 तो if हम boys x ना आज क्या हिला 0 ला 0 का cancel था y जिलंगा हम कोई ला x जिलंगा हम कोई दो इन लंग जिलंगा 10 है चुन लंगा थोड़ा इन लंग बन नोई लगा हम 20 कोई ला चुन आज तेरा 0 ला 0 का if mo tam 1 by 2 mo x boys 2 हिला boys to 2 hele girls to 1 question and PCM number of boys to the number of girls boys to pm x number of girls to pm y boys to izarham 2 number of girls izarham 1 boys to 1 see very important 20th 30th 40th 50th kiti hai question number 27 EPCM 27 in sale representative will receive 15% commission, 15% commission amoy 15% lo amain ake kwaiji chuna izara zo do phale rupees 2800 zo do phale 2800 zo do hele 15% commission amoy ama hin order receive an advance of rupees 50 on their commission rupees 150 commission am do ahil advance akil ado ahil to hi izat amoding ham de ala te ka banga chu ama hin commission amoding chu izat ni amoding ile hichlai la chu rupees 100 aman commission amodi cha chu rupees x hi la chun aman asum modi chu advance size akil am 150 kila do ta is remaining hi de cha aja tala 15 commission x pidham commission chu tia hela chun 15% tina cha commission chu x tila han is equal to 15% of 2800 hizan he manam bole chu san la zige man thela zo do ala 15% amole sumizan bodham 0 ni ke kata 28 into 15 na multiply this also 5 is 40 is the multiplication shortcut 5 to the 10 1 plus 8 is 8 10 plus 8 18 18 plus 4 is 22 1 to the 2 3 4 420 ato tele answer to 428 or simple multiplication on about thing as sound as get man tela zo do la zalile somni here ma da la zalile somni chu commission here atla chu advance 150 kila dollar to as a name 0 la 0 kila dollar 0 hi 12 la 5 kila dollar 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 7 3 la 1 kila dollar 2 270 rupees 270 rupees 7 Achitile next question jo 27 bana 28 to okay in an examination 75% candidate pass in English see epitam Venn diagram both as awale chun kimatte de episode tera chizang pass ding ile chi ani nya pass ho chala ya am achitile question in PCM in an examination 75% pass in English 75% pass in English 75% pass in English tiara chun 60% pass in mathematics 60% pass in mathematics GNP was samtila 75% pass in English in chalaila hi maths a pass ho yang zau thei chana English a pass pat pat ki ti cha atutile 25% fail in both are result fail 25% fails chalaya hi 25% fail 25% fail hai la chun eti bol ham question here achotia hele the number of students who pass the examination tala a pass paper ko lo ni alai pi tam 75% to English a pass na so na pass plus maths a pass is ham 60% maths a pass Israela hi anya pass form jang zau de anya pass form jang zau de intene ba in chu che ki de lo na hele chalai ra chu hele fail hi zat ham 25% fail cho 25% fail a hele chun a pass zat ham chi fail cho fail in both atiara chun pass in both chi zat in them pass in both chi zat in them 100% minus fail in both na fail in both 100% minus 100% pass minus fail in both is that idam cho pass in both cho 100% minus Is that fair like it 25% fair like it 25% fair in both anin ya fair alahin pass in both is at the time 75% pass that's so tela chahi at the time 75% question achi both epigenam tia hele a pass si hold and grade pass marks and ham mizat pass am 240 mizat pass am gatile cha pass zong kala ding cha pass zong kala ding ai wa nga chu ani nia pass ko mo kala lo de chana ai chu chaung ki sim tha ta cha ani nia pass wala chaung ki sim tha ta ani nia pass wala khat pe me chu ya chu hichbo se a pass to chibo se a pass to ani nia pass kom kala do hele pass mark so ajo tele bata -75 to +75 ka chai ta chu re phiam 60% bom ta 60% chan ham 240 total number of students who passes at the term ta hai question pe do ham total number of candidates at the term 240 into 100 by 60 zaram chi 6 4 24 0 0 ki ka 6 4 za 24 4 into 100 ko zaram 48 e thewam Venn diagram tapi da choma kha be la du cho next you tell 29 question 40% of ibham of the question sida ne of kitia repeated ham multiply into multiply kitia ibham successive successive concept in it successive concept chutila chlaya pana chi so na kita pa abana khatam successive concept in it chutila 40% of this repeated ham 40% of 4 by 5 of 3 by 4 of a number pe hum kya x is equal to 48 that's the question in the pe hum 1% of same number that's x order and that's number x to 11 so number x to 11 1% of x order and it's 1% of the same number to order this that's 11% of the same number to it's equation and dots so the logic order the x code on h x code on the hele pe hum tila 0 la 0 ka kata 4 la 4 ka kata adang kaji mam 2 2 is 4 2 5 10 kad abala khana ko hin phe ta x so min 11 x is equal to 48 into achunga ho si no ya hon ding no ya ho si chunga chuti la chun achunga nga 2 ta 3 ma la no ida nga am ta pham chi achunga he jala ya 1 ya 1 by 5 chu pe de tam 5 by 1 into 2 by 5 chu pe de tam 5 by 2 equal to la khala je ko ya 3 by 1 chu pe de tam 1 by 3 to x value of that ato tia hi le 3 1 is 3 3 5 is 3 6 8 10 so that's na amana 2 8 is 16 le x pe de tam 8 into 5 into 5 the 5 into 8 is around 40 40 into 5 5 4 is 20 acha to 540 is 200 la 200 la 1% se pham to la 100% of x to 200 mota 0 नहीं के college and हम cho 2 acha cho 1% cho 2 successive concept la chang he 1% of 1% of 1000 se pham 1% of 1% of 25% of 1000 so pidam 0 नहीं के kata 0 kata 0 ke kata 5 to the 10 5 5 are 25 5 to the 10 into 0 Chuchui piham. Achunga 1 mano ya piham. 40 1 by 40 ko decimal ala to di la dum ham. 40 0 times katila 10 from down the line 0 katila okay chai 0 hum thi 42 za 80 20 20 chu alhom ya chu kala be ke ni 0 ka kala be le 40 za times sum 45 a 200 so 45 a 20 tana 45 a 200 answer to 0.025 umang 0.025 0.025 question number 30 next question 31 question monthly salary of NB together amounts to rupees 40,000 ये तो B monthly salary to किगो माजन हम rupees 40,000 A spend 85% of his salary and B spend 95% of his salary. Now their savings are the same. It's very important. Saving are the same. Savings ke bande. Chipahi lo izat ham ke lo. Chipahi lo izat ham ke lo. Tam mai thi lo mai thi ai go ma chu khuzani. Te ka banga chu lo chu li hi la khana thumi the khana khat hi the. La ani ni hana ni chi the. La khat chu 1.5 hi the khat chu 2.5 hi the. Na. A logic is it here. Expenditure their saving are the same. Sorry, saving apana. Spend hin. Saving to same income minus expenditure is equal to saving. Saving ke bang de saving expenditure income saving ke bang value tam kya hai na hum se pena chu spend hum spend hum black pen and jota a 100% a spend hum income to 100% to the meals is 100% minus is that spend hum 85% expenditure sorry 85% who adding expenditure and savings is hum chahi 85% minus 10% who hum 15% which is saving saving of A and B chala B income minus B expenditure to B saving the chana chahe B is at the time B income use 100% link kya suma mo the chahe B is at spend 95% spend is at save chahe 5% bo save ala question chun ni P se hum saving ke bange dia to chite ni ke ba sa ti na chila na ke ba sa ding ale 15% of A 15% of A to 15 divided by A being example 15% of A is equal to 5% of B saving charge 5% of B equal to here chung ka 5 to 15 answer 3A is equal to B A by B to be the town A masanga khatam ding 3 changa chi so no yam ne A to 1 B to 3 question and P do salary of A is that so if they're saving on the monthly salary together amount to 40,000 monthly salary amounts to 40,000 okay to tell A salary to be A chun khara sana la B chun thoma san de tina chana therefore A salary to be the town therefore A salary to be the town ratio asim division A A1 ya B A3 la total to that 3 plus 1 to total to 4 chana ya chu percentage ka sin ding ala total ta ka divide ning a chun d la khat chu a hi ki ti ne chu la khat ti di lo chu b chu thuma hin a chu khat hi ti ne ba cha for he total 3 plus 1 total ti na che la chunga pa hi a b a ko do ding la 3 by 4 de na a salary 1 by 4 into 100% chu jan ham 4 to the 8 for 5 or 20 25% this sorry percentage ho do de lo pitch question in alo hold and the alo hold and the ile chala ya 40,000 chala na that's a 40,000 la cha tinach ala chon 40,000 la cha 4 10 times 4 1 is 4 0 0 0 1000 times 1000 into 4 is ham 10,000 is the answer ala te ka banga b salary hold and the ti bol ham suppose if they say b salary hold and say income minus expenditure to saving to the concept nya la to chu b salary ko lo ding ale b salary ratio proportional la ten b chu za sanam thomasan za na para ong ida asum chu total za nam 40,000 that time sum chi 4.4000 ele b chu za san den ham 30,000 that's it a chu za sanam 10,000 b za sanam 30,000 ago ma za nam 40,000 so 40,000 10,000 plus 30,000 is around 40,000 question number 32 area what is question answer a into b theory multiply ke bola le thu thomas so la percentage increase also chi za de ka tiu na height of a triangle is increased by 10% the triangle hoi pe bata area of triangle hoi pe hum the area hoi pe hum half into base into height that's one area is c constant din base into height 1 by 2 number here che constant here ji da thei base into height thi na base into height is equal to c is equal to a into b to ta ta area number in ji thota area is equal to half chela na constant number ya percentage all the la constant choice mi ala kholo base into height acho tile chilanga in base jotin chilanga in height jotin is equal to area percentage also le constant figure ho kila lo percentage change represent am tele theory ka compare a hela chun half base khalanga 5 ya khalanga 3 height 3 le khalanga 4 area ka compare la half base 2 ya ka 7 hela 1 by 2 1 by 2 ki ka tho na constant figure ai ge khelo chu ki ka ji ya chu ki khelo ki don lo ajo tele base all room de ta chu ai chu increase le decrease le all a new chi za pa di ya base increase by 10% tela 100 to amasa 100 hin to 10% increase tela to 110 so 100 to 10% increase le 110 ta to retain the original the base must be decreased by height zo in masa na height zo masa to height zo sin head into base half base into head half head into base ki band ho height also increase. So height is increased by 10%. To retain the original area so base in macha ke lo na. Ele all original so all tina chalo na. Ele head heading in base pila de hom yon 10 lao ta base 10 lao ta elo 100 ang kala the 10 kala hele chon area so pile tam 1000. That second kala thu cha ye chon bona pilo. Then evanga so alui pa chu height hi ake increase de cho the base is na hi ka decrease the ham 1000 ma margin na ding atis 1000 ma margin na ding azana ka decrease the ham de Ado tala chun retain at yala 1,000 into 2,000. 110 into EP ka bola 1,000 so de ham. Chahe PS pe long so ta so na. Ichi den hi retain ding tala ki basa ding to. Ichi hial ding to chi hon hon no lao cho. Ipi ding ate ne lao ham tala chi area hol do na dewa. 0 ka be de 0 ka be de. Area cho. So ti hele ichi pen ke lawa hele bada cho 110 into x is equal to 1,000. X should be down 1,000 divided by 110. 0, 0 ka 11 by 10 by 11. Ay lawa zong le 10 by 11 in number hi ani obesa le khat lauta 100 ma ma lauta chang. Base 100 kala ding hai jong 100 original la 100 kala la 0 li re tas. Ye cho zo ga chu December hom le ne ko azab de. Ya chu ne kher pe 1000 ma ma na la. 1,000 into 1,000 ka bola le 10,000 na so le ni wa chu za ka le 10% ka ya 110 ta e wanga chu area chu za ka so nga ham 10,000 ma ka so din ado ta le 10,000 ma ka so din ai ga chi za ka multiply da ham za ka multiply da ham ka multiply de chu x 110 into x chu za ham 10 khat ni thum x chu 10 khat ni thum divided by 110 0, 0 we cancel 11 10,000 by 11 Ichi answer ipida ham 10,000 at 1,000 by 11 jo jo tat la jo jo visa na hi ki decrease ham visa na ki decrease ham chi tia la jo percentage and say in na ti visa na ki decrease in da ti bam le approximately visa na ki decrease ham tia hi la chun what is the to retain the original its base must be decreased by visa na ki decrease ham to 100 minus 1,000 divided by 100 cha ki decrease na percentage and same tira izar apara ki decrease am original apana 100 apara ki decrease into percentage also ko na le za ki khod tam che za ki khod dam 11 into 100 ko 1100 minus 1,000 by 100 da chale la kho izar ham che 11 into 1,000 11 into 100 ko 1100 to hi 100 hi Valentine noi by 100 how much the base should be decreased at him sorry it's a piding 1,000 also di lo lai mam pele bo chiro calculation error ma nama do one okay a complicated base it sang anything borota chu di innovate vane calculation error zame 10% increase decrease होता कि बांग थो chu PCM question chun ma sepe na 100 hi in hi chu izana ki increase atia 110 agi increase na 10 agi increase ale za so tam ta hi 110% increase ta bang chu area ma ma cha to retain the same above misa ki dinga chu izana su hom ngai ham so ma su hom ngai chala na dilo so ma su hom ngai chana the head is increased 10 I increase al 110 so ta original 100 ma mai so ke dinga hela chen isa na decrease ngai ding ham tera 10 na decrease ngai de cho 10 I decrease I think I'll answer to be the 10 I decrease ding evanga cho 100 10 upon I decrease the answer is equal to 100 0 0 ka 100 by 11 100 by 11 to be 100 by 11 to 9 1 by 9% is umam 10% at TV chahin. Anyway, Japan hit in quite the doubts in quota. Chicken vacating answer paving. Question number 32. Doubts. Zingle solved it to 32. 33. A number is increased by X%. To get back to original, it is reduced by Z. A number is increased by X%. Number to X% in Kikausen. Aile Tekabanga to Zakatsu. X% I get cause at the time 100% plus X. 100 plus X%. I get cause at that. Allows to on ki reduce the I period tamtala. It's up and I can reduce the dinners. Is on a reduce my home? Is on a reduce my home to show? Is on a reducing him tele alapia? Is on a reducing him? X are reducing. X are reduces no. Say X are tam long say. Let's say X mama kalado de long reducing all. S kalado din. Evang as percentage aka something ala chila ya pana ki panda cha bura cha pana ki panya to chila ya pana ki pana here da cha na 100 plus X to 100% percentage aka say ding ala. That's a PD tam 100% into X to 100X by 100 plus X. Okay, his it among sana hi kana ho so thi mi thi 100 into 10 100 100X if you have 100 into X is 10 by 100 plus 10 is it's a formula one keep on the 10 here 100 plus X X la calls out here 100 into 10 by 100 plus X so is 100 here 1,000 divided by 110 cancel 1,010 11 by 100 to 11 naka kapora 10 so 11 nines are 99 1 hand yeah so 9 1 by 11 percentage okay so hela 91 get ya confused answer 9 1 by 11 percentage the formulas so takhat to zakhat chu zakhat le chiang som ekal sa ta chu he bang he chama makan so ke ding he tia he la chun chama masona ding a chu 10% kala do ke chu na he bang 10% masanga kala chu zakhana ka ko mi pa he 10% chu he apana kan la do ham 10% chu zakhat la chiang som pa kan la do ta chu percentage a ka sia la ja tam chu 0 ka to 0 ka ta 100 by 11 100 by 11 chu nga mo chu za ham 91 by 11 percentage. This answer. Oh, Nathan Tawam. It's a talk and explain about that. 34 40 and Bolata 34 hele question 20 piece ham 83 1 by 3 percentages of rupees 90 is equal to 60% of Pidam X. It's a lot of X. It's a EPT ka bold ham 83 1 by 3 percentage of fraction on the bahar like ham 83 1 by 3 percentage then alive 83 1 by 3 percentage है number fraction formula 5 by 6 1 by 6 16 2 by 3 yeah 5 times I multiply 83 5 by 6 83 1 by 3 percentage fraction formula so 5 by 6 direct ana both hi achuti lawa yon le na khod do de na khod dinga la chete ni na multiply masad ne suppose 83 1 by 3 percentage so ka khod dinga hele chun chete ne ka multiply masad ne 3 3 is a 9 3 is a 24 249 plus 1 by 3 so 250 by 3 percent the out of the into 100 Milanga divided by 100 0 to 0 ka abana 25 by 30 5 5 for 25 5 is 30 5 by 6 total adu tele 83 1 by 3 percentage ipitina ham 5 by 6 of rupees 90 is equal to 60% of x ke lo pi 0 0 ka ta abana 2 3 is 6 2 5 are 10 hele 5 by 3 3 by 5 ilang kana kan chuna le pi so tam 5 by 6 into 90 into 3 by 5 ko lakana kan chole 5 by 3 chu answer da cha answer hi pi so am 3 30 3 3 is 9 0 awana to 6 5 5 into 3 is 5 keep ko ya ham x is equal to 1 2 5 5 5 thum ve bola hela 1 2 5 5 into 5 into 5 ko 5 keep me 5 keep ko 1 2 5 35 in an exam a student must get 36% marks to pass this 36% mark to pass PC nam chihin atya hile pass mark ki pita pass mark chu jan ham 36 percentage a student who get 90 fail by 35 marks so that's it mi khan hin 190 mus ai wanga fail get fail izana fail ham atya hile izana fail ham 35 marks are fail let's say pass nothing out pi bo ngai ham 35 marks ka bia la ka pass di chulo na 35 ka fail ala chi failing mark fail marks cho ala chi 190 hu score ama score dikta ne thina de wen ma score ma mozat a mozat la izana fail am 35 a fail ala chon ka go ma la zan ham 5 9 10 11 12 2 to 5 cho ka pass mark dina chana ये जो 190 का माला समथम ना nga ka fail so समथम ना nga ka fail ala chun iti cho line al represent him bolan to line it's he pass mark che pass mark ya ala chun to a chu a pass mark chu kin ke head lo pich e wanga chu ka hilai phele chan ka score am hitla chan ka score hila chan ka score cha ka marks jan ham 190 ala ka pass ta lo pich na pass mark chala ko hila ele izana ka fail ham fail by question and do chu chala ka hai question and do chu chala ka hai chala ka chu izana ka fail ham izana an pi chu question na pi chu izana ka fail atiam som thum na nga ma sa ka fail atu tala ka pass na dinga chu pi ka bol ham hi chan ka thon na dinga chu masanga ka moza to ka fail na ja ka ko be chala na chu tala pass mark kam bole ya chu ka score za to ka fail na mark ka go ma le pass mark kam bole e wa ma ne psm 36 mark chu pass mark he ati chu question atu tala pass mark chu 36 mark hem 36 mark chu jan he mark sai ko na hele jan mo bam hon 225 hit motas total mark pe ham tala total mark chu 100% na chana 1% se pi de ham 225 divided by 6 total mark chu jan ham total 100% 100% is at the time 225 into 100 divided by 36 ala ko ta chi ko na le total marks at the time 6 6 36 5 6 9 6 ka bot hai 2 6 ka bot hai lo de 3 1 is 3 3 5 6 9 3 ka bot hai de 3 1 is 3 3 2 is 6 3 7 na 21 3 5 is 15 abana 2 2 is na 5 sum 2 2 4 2 2 sum so thai lo 2 6 12 250 abana chu 6 7 the 3 to the 6 3 to the 6 3 5 or 15 chilang ahin ka tanya 25 p mom 25 into 15 mo divided by 2 25 ka get the and 25 square se pe hum 625 25 into 25 to 25 square chana 25 square se pe hum 625 so 625 pass mark 47 question in PCM. A basket contains 300 mangoes. 75 mangoes total is at hetiam. 100% is at total 100%. 100% is at 300 mangoes. Among them, so they find the percentage of mangoes left in basket. 75 ki hom de this. 300 large 75 ki hom da is at mo 5 to 2 to 5 more na. Ala 2 to 5 more percentage is 2 to 5 more percentage aka say dinga hele. Is that not to compare them? Abula to compare natural na percentage left at the his at left so his at the left is at the total so total is at give one natural to the percentage and say the 2 to 5 divided by 300 into percentage yet 100 0 into 0 ni ka ato till 2 to 5 to 3 3 ka thi 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 2 9 the sum of these is 3 are divisible so 9 ala 3 ka thi 3 is at home, 3 7 the 21, 3 5 are 15, so it's home 75, that is 75%. 75%. What's the layer? Question number 37. 7 can be was some 25% of A income is equal to 25% of B. Some pra 0 does 25% of A is equal to person who otherwise divided direct divided 25% of A 25% of 25 per B. A B hold and that's A 5 5 25 5 7 35. 7 into A is equal to 5 into B. And A chala ko itin B hong sol dot 10 5 ko itin itin 7 la kara sol and chi so de. A by B hui hum 5 ratio 7. Answer B D. 38 he hum 6 1 by 4 61 hello picho 6 1 by 4%. 6 1 by 14 6 1 by 4% of 1600 of 3 multiply na of 1600 is equal plus 12 1 by 2%. 12 1 by 121 is 12 1 by 2% of 800 to 3 hintam. And 6 1 by 4% 3 ipiham 6 1 by 4%. 1 by 16 so chin her wala fraction to bahar lo chun 1 by 16 elo let azwa ka se bonga cho me fraction to na khod di cha 1 by 16 of 600 plus 12 1 by 2% ipiham 1 by 8 so 1 by 8 of 800 6 1 by 4% ipiham 1 by 16 si mas bahat 1 by 20 cha na bahat 1 by 2% khoi pi ham 1 by 8 direct fraction na chu tala chai phalu lo pi chu 600 100 100 plus 100 chu chan ham 200 answer chu 200. Next, CZ along with 2016 na price increased by 60% in order to the price as well as it amounts. Tilman chu take up banga zakhara hitai ada chan tilman chu original them old tidam original ilola old aluya cha 100 hi in zana kalam 60% akal 60% akal za tam chi 160%. Tinggal kau kasih kau masa mata. Sorry. Okay, 100 to 10 original chu zanam 100 chu zana kalam tahi 160% akal. Very last 60% you have 160 direct 60 na to restore to the original chu zanam 100 da som go mana hum kal chu zakhat man ka lekim su sa dinga hile izana ka reduce ngai ham chu zana ka reduce them som go ma ka reduce som go chu 60% ham hitalo pi chu he chapa dinga hi di chu ba chapa he re chala pra ki su chu na chapa na 60% 60 or 60% to ra izat ding ham aji chu bs ki bang talo abulanga chu 100 bs hilaya chu 60% tila chun so yung chula na dan jang para chu 60% atiala chun 60% of 100 chu 60 yung chuna ala cha is base ki bang talo pe chu 60% of si base pe ham 160 ta cha ka bola ile za som che 00 ke ka 2 3 6 2 is a 16 3 by 8 into 100% se pe ham 3 by 8 ko percentage is ham 1 by 8 to 12 1 by 2% to 3 by 8 is ham 37.5 percentage 37 1 by 2 percentage represent after the 3 by 8 se pe ham 37 1 by 2 per 100 percentage of such 7 1 by 2 percentage it will ko yang la chen chen so to 37 1 by 2 percentage 37 1 by 2 percentage yeah it's a fraction hit the thing. Last question number 40 to nyadingen motor part as a 120 machine part in a motor 120 machine part don't say defective hai so total as ham 120 hin it's like 5% defective hai in another motor 80% machine parts 10 were defective for the two motors considered together the percentage of defective machine is anya ki gom khoma defective machine is at the ham na chutara chun machine khana is at 120 defective is at 5% chi motor number 1 divta khat pa chu divta 1 pa chu is at 120 la chu that defective 5% atiala chun 5% of 120 chu is at 0 0 5 2 10 2 3 2 6 12 الآنسر شيء بيجان هم ساعد defect بيجان هم 5% كلا دوزوا defect to 6 زاو صوب نيلا أقوب مسيدي نيتشا أني ناتو 80 parts أتيز أني ناتو 80 parts في second هم motor ni ناتو 80 parts لا تو إذا هم 10% defective نيتشا 10% هاي تلا تو 80 لاز 0 to 0 के काता 0 to 0 के काले ज़रा है लहम 8 هاي point نيتشا 8 هاي لا question चुन या स्टिम थाइन C hizat mom percentage atela C chu go mala za ham 8 plus 6 chu 14 C elet iza na pa na tela 180 to anya go male zani la za C ham 14 C chu percentage in say na this percentage za ka se la som la li C iza na pa na zani ji chu ka go ta chu na motor nya ra chu percentage in say na 0 ni to 0 ni ki kata 14 by 2 to ham 14 by 2 to ham 2 7 जा 14 आंसर चलते हम 7 percentage tu nya dengan cara nga tau ta tu nya dengan cara nga tau tin abana question number 40 question number 60 lang chan ni le kilometer class khat ham class ni ham kila bele percentage complete di te